Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Irish soda bread. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Then into a sifter, set over a large bowl, add in the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and sift the ingredients into the bowl and whisk them to combine them. Then cut up the butter into small cubes and add it into the dry ingredients, and use your fingers to rub and squeeze it into the mixture until it's combined and the butter is about the size of small peas. Try not to make it too fine. Then add in the buttermilk, egg, and raisins, which is optional, and mix them together until they're well combined and there's no more dry flour. Then place the dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. You can choose to make one large loaf or two small loaves. Lightly flour your hands and shape it into a round. Then use a sharp knife to cut a cross shape, cutting about 1 inch deep into the bread. And bake it in the oven for about 35 to 45 minutes until it's nicely browned on top and it reaches an internal temperature of 190 degrees or above. When it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool for about 10 minutes. And you can serve it still warm or cooled to room temperature. And that's how to make Irish soda bread. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.